Today is day 1 of 4, guys. Listen, as I keep saying, my schedule have been crazy.com. So I'm coming off of 1 day off, guys. I don't know how I'm here. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm praying for some energy today, guys. Pray for me because your girl is tired. I'm really tired, and today we do go back to Detroit. It's not my first trip, my 3-day trip that I just did. Go back to Detroit, and then we have a Knoxville. Is it Knoxville? I think it's Knoxville layover. Yeah, it's a 4-day trip, and yeah, I can't wait to finish. I had so much to do yesterday. Yesterday, I got up early and did laundry, came home and ironed, and then I made my lunch, and then, I prepped, and then get my bag packed and get everything ready for my trip today. Trust me, when we go home from work, we have more work to do at home because we gotta clean, and I cleaned. So I'm just tired. So guys, I don't know, man. All I can say is pray for me. But today is day 1 of 4, and let's get this day started, shall we? V.I.A is the only thing that's open at B33. It's a long line, like long line. Sometimes the line is even longer than that. It's crazy. I'm wondering when the other food stuff are gonna open down here, because I'm pretty sure that would make business, especially Shake Shack. Guys, look, every time I step on the aircraft, I break out in hives. Do you see that big one? That's crazy. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day, and I have some little bad news. So last night I was sleeping, and I woke up to an excruciating pain in my chest and everything. And when I breathe in, it hurts. And I was crying. Anyways, they changed my schedule, so I'm gonna go back to New York and go see a doctor to really see what's going on. My mom said it could be stress because I've been working so much, but I'm gonna go see what's really going on with my body. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted on what's what. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Love Charms World. So today is day 1 of 4. I'm actually at my hotel room right now. I know the last clip, I believe I was telling you guys I woke up with a chest pain. Yeah, so and I went to the hospital, and more so the urgent care, because to check. And they flew me in. They pulled me from my trip, then they flew me in to JFK, and then I went straight to the urgent care. And then afterwards I actually had to take a COVID test because they felt like the symptoms that I was showing was COVID related. But And then also she was just asking me if I was stressed or anxiety, and she was basically saying that my chest pain was normal and everything. So I took my COVID test and everything, and it was negative. I'm good in that department. But the pain actually occurred again last week, and I went to today's December 23rd actually. So last week it occurred, and then last Friday I went to the doctor again, and he said it's normal. I seem healthy, but you know, when you just really want to, I wish they would run some tests to see what's really going on, because it's something that's occurring. Like I used to have it in the past, but then the one that last week was different. It was painful as well, but it felt like I had a fire in my chest, like I don't know. And then the other one, it just like, it was like it was a really bad pain that woke me out of my sleep, and I was like so scared, you know. But they say I'm fine, and I was off for a couple days, and I went to the doctor, I went to the dermatologist. I was telling her like my face is dry, and I broke out, as you guys could see. And she prescribed some stuff for me, and she wanted to know some certain information about some like disinfectant spray that was being sprayed. It could be causing my hives to flare up, because my hives have been flaring up like crazy. Like my body have been going through it. Like I used to have hives really bad back in the day, but now I don't know, it just flared up. And I don't know what to do. I've been taking the pills. The doctor said I should take 2 in the day and 2 in the night, but I was like, that's too much. So I took 2 because the one wasn't working for me. It would wear off in like 10 hours or so. So I took the pill, but it makes me so drowsy. Like it makes me extremely tired. And at first I didn't, I wasn't sure, but then I was talking to the doctor, and they're telling me that's that. When I used to take Benadryl, that used to make me, that was worse. I remember once I got a mistrip with taking Benadryl. But I've been taking Zyrtec and, what is it called? I forgot the name of the one, but I take 2 Zyrtecs a day, because my hives have been really bad. Like I don't know what's going on in the air, but I don't know what, my skin, my face is breaking out. Like I'm not used to my face being like this. Usually my face is like clear. So for it to be like this right now is just sad. Anyways, I am okay now. I'm working on my health and trying to get my skin back intact, and my skin have been extremely dry, guys, so I have to be using Vaseline and stuff like that to get the moisture back. So yeah, but I'm okay. I'm currently in Greensboro, and nothing major. Tomorrow we go to Tyson, and then I spend Christmas in Rochester, New York, so that should be fun. Anyways, this is just a continued vlog. Luckily, I pre-recorded so that I could upload on Sundays. Luckily, you know when you do things and you're like, why am I doing this? But then in the end, it makes sense. Like it saves you. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go change, wash up, and get ready for bed. It's now 9 probably like 10 now. Let me see. Yeah, it's 10:09 now. So I'm gonna shower, get ready for bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Have a good evening. Okay, so all clean. already ready for boarding. And yeah, we're going to ATL, and then we have a quick turn, really short turn in between, and then we overnight in Tyson somewhere. I've every trip I notice I have a layover there. So yeah, now we're just waiting for passengers to board. So guys, I'm in Atlanta getting some breakfast. Luckily I came early because I'm the last one they gave breakfast to. So now I'm just waiting for the breakfast. I was praying to get in early because there's weather in Atlanta as well. It's raining really hard outside. I was praying to get in early so I could grab something to eat because we have a very tight schedule. It's like all the flights is back to back. I really like that. So we could get the day over with. So I'm here waiting for my breakfast. Hey guys, so bad news. We were coming from Atlanta and going to Knoxville, and because of weather we were delayed in the air for like maybe an hour, 40 minutes to an hour, and then we had to divert to Nashville and get fuel and wait to board back up to go back to Knoxville. We're currently on the aircraft waiting to see what's gonna happen. Apparently we are going back out to Knoxville. They're just getting the paperwork ready and everything so that we could board and get ready to go. So apparently there's weather in Knoxville and it was causing like a lot of delay with the planes going in because there was low visibility. Listen, I don't know, I'm tired and I can't talk, but basically they can't see, so we had to like fly around until they let us divert to Nashville. So now we're just here, we're waiting to see what's gonna happen. As I said, they're supposed to be preparing paperwork right now, and then we should be boarding to head back to Knoxville. Yeah, so day before Christmas and the shenanigans begin. Mind you, the plane ride, because we're flying in and out of Atlanta today, and the plane ride have been really bumpy, like extremely bumpy. So yeah, I'm tired. I can't wait to go and take this clothes off, shower, and just call it a day. So we're waiting. Guys, in my hotel room, finally. It is now 8:45 and we should have been here since 4. I'm so tired. My shoulders hurt so bad. My feet hurt. I'm gonna change, take a nice hot shower, and go to bed. Kind of tired. Oh, when we came to the hotel, they gave us this present. They said a flight attendant that works here, I guess she lives here, so she dropped them off for them to hand out to the crew. And we got this opener. Isn't it cute? Such a cute opener, right? And in the card it says, basically tells you what is in the thing, and it says, "Merry Christmas. I hope these gifts find you well on your trip, and I wish you many holidays memories when you get home to your family. Elizabeth is her name." Oh, she's a pilot. Oh, okay, thanks, Elizabeth. She's a first officer. I think that was thoughtful of her. And you have these. What else? on these. And ooh, this, let's see what else. And these, I guess she made them. So nice. And it smells like real chocolate from Jamaica. I don't know, like, the Jamaicans on here, like, do you know, like, all right, when I was younger, like, my grandmother would pick the chocolate off the chocolate tree, and she would leave them to dry, and then when they dry, they have like that smell. It smells so good. And then my grandmother used to put all of them together and like kind of beat them so they could be crushed up, so she could, I don't know, form them to make like hot chocolate, stuff like that. Let me tell you, Jamaican hot chocolate, the best. Okay, that's how it smells. So thanks to her, I'm really grateful for this gift. And this is the card, and on the back it tells you what's in there. It says peppermint bark, it's dark chocolate, white chocolate, peppermint oils, candy canes, canola oil, stuff like that. And she said firecrackers, which is oyster crackers, canola oil, dry ranch, dressing mix, cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper. I think I did smell that one. And chocolate drop cookies with sugar, cocoa, butter, milk, peanut butter, oatmeal, vanilla, and salt. I think this is very thoughtful. Hopefully next year I have funds, because I really want to do like a give back thing. I really want to give back to, like, when I was growing up, I've always dreamt, okay, these are the things that I dream of when I'm growing up. I want a farmhouse in Jamaica, not like with only a few animals, but I want like a lot of fruit trees and stuff like that. Not such of a big house. And flight attendant was one of my dreams, and I always want to give back, like always want to give back. And yeah, that's something that I want to do. And I've always wanted to go in groups and talk about like mental health and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm really grateful for this. This is so cute, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna get freshened up, get these clothes off of me, and get ready for bed. I hope the shower is hot. I like when the shower is hot. Like, I'm so tired right now. I don't feel like moving. Do you see the bags under my eye? Like right here, my eyes are a little swollen. See it? I'm tired. I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. All right, so I'm currently getting ready for work. It is now 7 something in the morning. Oh my god, I'm so thirsty. My room was so hot last night. I was up at 2 a.m. and I went to bed. I fell asleep like around maybe 9 something or 9 something, I want to say. And then I woke up at 2, used the restroom, and I could not go back to sleep for anything. The room was hot. I put it on cold on 65. The room cooled down and I could not get back to bed. So I'm in Nashville. No, I'm in Knoxville, sorry. And it's safe to say that they have a white Christmas. Let me show you. Look how beautiful. It snowed yesterday and we had to divert. Well, you guys know the gif. And it looks like it's maybe blowing off the thing, or it could be still snowing. I still see a little snowflakes. It could be off the tree though, or the ground, I don't know. But it's so beautiful, right? They have a white Christmas. Yeah, I wanted to say something to you guys. I have some pre-recorded video for you guys that I've done, and I'm gonna release it after this video. It's only because it's Christmas and you guys know I don't want to upload this maybe on the second Sunday in January. You guys are like, what the hell, like Christmas been gone. But I have pre-recorded videos because it helps me just in case I don't go to work or anything. So I want to have something to post. I really and truly want to I really and truly, by the way, Merry Christmas. It's December 25th, 2020. Like, OMG. I cannot believe, like, it's Christmas already. So Merry Christmas, and I hope that even though you're going to see this on Sunday, I hope that you and your family enjoyed Christmas. Happy holidays. If you go to church, have fun, pray for me. And yeah, happy Sunday and Merry Christmas to you guys. And happy holidays for the ones who don't celebrate Christmas. Happy holidays. So I'm gonna finish getting ready. But I was saying that I really want to do some like my daily life vlog. But I'm trying to get my channel to go up some more. I'm getting the subscribers. We're at 600 and something now. Yay. And almost at 700 subscribers. And I really want to hit 1K. So once we hit 1K, I want to start posting maybe 2 videos. And I used to post 2 times a week. I used to post Sundays and Wednesdays. I do drop videos here and there on Wednesdays, but it doesn't get as much views as it does on Sundays. I'm not sure why. So I guess I need to build my audience more. So that's something that I want to work on. What else? Yeah. Next month, January 28th, is my birthday. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And I want to travel. I want to go away. We'll see how it goes. And I'm going to take you guys along with me, of course. Yeah. Did I show you guys? I think I showed you guys the gift that I got last night from the first officer. She left a beautiful gift for us yesterday. And oh yeah, and a passenger came on and they gave each of us a gift card to Starbucks. That was really thoughtful and nice of them, you know. Yeah, and I'm spending Christmas at work. So I'm gonna go finish getting ready and skedaddle downstairs. I have a van time of 8:15. So I see you guys when I think we go to Detroit. We have a 3-hour sit in Detroit. My company, they have food and stuff, but I don't really like their food. But I'll go look to see what they have. And if it's something that's, I'll video it. And then I spend Christmas tonight in Rochester, New York. So yeah, and I finish tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in a few. And I hope that you and your family have or had a wonderful time. I'll see you in a few.
I never see you happy. You always treat me badly. You say you always tired, and you're mad. Why don't you get a life and leave the blame behind? And I can't be without you. What we made the plan, we didn't care. Was a mistake. What I never saw it. Why we made the plan, we didn't care. Was a mistake. Why I never saw it. Like a twister, make a big mess, it's the same, baby.
Hey guys, just got to my hotel room. I did a room tour of here already, but it's gonna be in the vlog after this, because remember I said that I have some pre-recorded videos, but I'm just gonna put this out first and then put that one out afterwards, so you guys will see that. But I did show again downstairs, which is really beautiful. It's a new hotel that we stay at in Rochester. This is like our 3rd hotel here. So I'm just gonna chill on my Christmas evening, and yeah, that's it for me for today. So I'll see you guys in the morning when I close the vlog out. And I hope that you and your family enjoyed Christmas. Good morning, everyone. Guess what? It is go home day, and I'm currently getting ready for work. Guys, you hearing my voice? I don't know. I don't know, but on this trip, I could not sleep at all. I could not sleep. I don't know what's going on, but I could not sleep. I was up last night fighting to go to sleep. I put down my phone and everything, and I was just laying here tossing, turning. I'm tired. Today is day 4. It's go home day. I can't wait to go home and have some leftover Christmas dinner because I missed it all. Yo, yesterday I was on my phone like scrolling through, like looking at everybody enjoying their time with their family, and I was just like feeling kind of sad. Nonetheless, I'm going home today, and yeah, and I'm off for 5 days. I come back January 1st at like, I have an off afternoon schedule, so it's not so bad. I wanted it off, but I'm telling you, being that with Rona and everything, they had to place other people in other bases because in New York base was, there was no flying. But they ended up leaving LaGuardia because we split it. They ended up leaving LaGuardia and displaced JFK, which I didn't get because there's more flying in JFK now than there is in LaGuardia, but I don't know. I'm not management. So my seniority list, because a lot of people left, my seniority is down now, and so I can't hold the lines that I used to have, and I can't hold the day. I get the days off sometime, and I'm usually off Sunday, Mondays, and Tuesdays. I like those days, and it's hard for me to get it now. I will get it every now and then, yeah, but it's hard for me to get, and I usually bid against 5-day trip. It's hard for me to get rid of those, and I noticed that it's been happening to a lot of people in that graduated with me or after. So I'm gonna try and see if there's any type of way that I could bid for February, because I really need some days off, because I am going to I'm going on vacation for my birthday, and I really need a certain time off. So I'm gonna see, and I need my Sunday, Mondays, and Tuesdays in February. I'm gonna see how they do February schedule, because like February, I think 28 days, right? So what they normally do to make it like a full 31 month 31 month, but you get it, to be like a full month, they will usually do from, say, February schedule is usually like February to like, say, maybe March 3rd. That's how they would do it, so they could have a full month. Yeah, so hopefully I'm able to bid and hold a good schedule, because your girl needs her days off. I need my days off. Like, I really and truly need my days off. My Sunday, Mondays, and Tuesday. At least let me get it for February. Like, it's hard, guys. It's hard for me to bid now. I'm really grateful to have a job, but I need my days off, and I haven't been getting them at all. And my friends is like, maybe it's the way how you're bidding, but like, I've been bidding the same and I've been getting my days. So my friend was like, I'm a bid for you. But being that I used to be LaGuardia based, so, and LaGuardia base is less senior than JFK, but JFK is more easier for me to commute, to go to, not commute, because I live closer to JFK than I do to LaGuardia, you know. So I was just like, I'm gonna see. But because I'm down on a seniority list, I can't hold certain things. Like, yes, I will get some Sunday Mondays. They would give me like a Sunday and a Monday. And I can't do these 2 days off in between trip because I have so much that I have to do when I go home, you know? Like, usually what I would do, like if I go home on a Saturday and I finish at a decent time, I would go do laundry in the night, and then Sunday, you know, I have to make dinner, and Monday I usually like iron. Sometimes I will prep on Mondays, but I mostly prep on Tuesdays, and then just rest, you know, get some sleep and everything, and then Wednesday I will start. But lately I've been getting like 2 days off, like for January, being that I have vacation. I have days, so you know, I didn't get my Sunday Mondays, but it is what it is. I have vacation at the end of the month, so. But I'm gonna try and see, like, if I could bid a different way to see for real, because I really and truly need my days, my Sundays, Mondays, and Tuesdays in what month? In February. Yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna go wash my hands, and I'm gonna go wash my hands. And look, I don't know why, for some reason I touched something just now and the camera just like, let me see if my hair is good. I think it's good. Yeah, it's good. I'm trying to like, yeah, I decided to put it back on the side. I don't know, but yeah, I'm ready, and I'm gonna finish packing up my bag. I forgot to plug my phone in last night. I plugged it out, but it's at 96%, so by the time it's time for me to go downstairs, I'm gonna be good. Yeah, so today's day 4-4. So what we're doing today, we're going from Rochester to JFK, and then we do a rally dorm turn, and then we're finished for the day, guys. We're finished for the day, and we're finished for the rest of the year until January 1st. So a couple days off in between. Come back on Friday, finish on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh yeah, finish, come back Friday, and I think I come back home on Sunday. Let me see my schedule. It's a 3-day trip. So guys, I love a good 3-day trip. Listen, let me tell you something. 3 days, okay? Yeah, I come back on Sunday, and then I'm off Monday, Tuesday, and then I go back Wednesday. And they gave me a 5-day trip for next month. Ugh. I hate 5-day trips. Hate it, trust me. 5-day trips, like, the commuters like it because it's just easier for them to like get a bunch of them, knock it out, and then they'll be off for a period of time. But I hate 5-day trips. Like, give me 4-day and 3-day. I love good 3-day trips, but I've never gotten a 2-day trip, come to think of it. They've always given it, but I guess the more senior people get it. Anyways, I'm all ready. I'm gonna finish pack up my bag and then head downstairs. I have a 6 a.m. van time, and I will see you guys when I get on the aircraft. And I guess I'll close out the vlog because I think this is a little lengthy. I might have to cut it down when I go, when I'm editing. So I'll see you guys in a few.